Good morning. Just woke up. First day of van life. We're out here and I'll show you what's going on. I'm just chilling in my undergarments. And today we're gonna start a series called Van Life Vlog. We had the pleasure of borrowing my father's beautiful converted Ram ProMaster, and we're out here in Washington, USA. We made it from Vancouver, British Columbia in Canada. Got out here last night, and found a cool little campsite. It was like $35 American, and there's the Jippy, scavenging firewood for future trips. Did you find anything? 3 pieces?
3 pieces. 3 pieces just sitting there alone. There was no one there yesterday, but it's right by the owner's site. So we gotta put on jackets so we can put the firewood under our jackets and just hold it while we walk over here. 3 pieces.
And then we're gonna...
And that's a whole bundle we didn't have to pay for. That's 6 in total.
We're saving $5 whole.
It's worth it. We paid $40 for Subway. It's worth it.
Yeah, we paid $40 for Subway one day. We always get Subway in Canada, and it's always like, you know, $17 between the 2 of us at the tops. And then we get our 2 footlongs yesterday, and it was $40 friggin' dollars. Effing bullshit. Anyway, we're out here. We're gonna go steal some firewood, and I'm in my underwear right now. I'll put some pants on while I do it. See you in a bit. Quick view of the setup. Here we are, a little bit messy. It's our first night, so we kind of have stuff all over the place, but that's all right. We'll get it all settled. There's the cabin. This is where the magic happens. Pretty comfy ride. Thanks, Doug. Here's a little view of our spot, secluded in the very back of this very big campsite. She's an animal. She went out there and just scavenged all this firewood. I can't even believe it. Now we're gonna have some free firewood for our next campsite. Good job.
Thank you. I work hard.
She works hard. She plays hard. Don't forget it. So we're gonna be heading to Portland, Oregon next. Sorry. We're gonna be going to Seaside, Oregon, and hit the coast, and then we're gonna be chilling in that front. We'll catch you on our next travel. We're at a beach right now. This place is pretty creepy. Beautiful, but creepy. Made it to the second destination. We're in Oregon now. Oregon, USA. Went from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, to Washington, US, and now we're in Oregon. What a nice beach. Look at that. So sweet. Beautiful. What a nice beach. What a nice state this is. See you at the campsite. Here we are. We are the Woodbin hosts. This is our campsite. All the campers come to us and they ask all their questions because we are the hosts. Got a beautiful fire going. And this is where we're gonna stay tonight. There's the beautiful bed. We will catch you tomorrow morning. Good night, everybody. We've now made it to Seaside, Oregon. Another beautiful beach land. Yeah. All right, so we made it to our second spot in Oregon. We found ourselves a cool little campground, and right across we got the beast. So this works out really well. Just living quarters, and then we can have our campfire and roast our hot dogs, marshmallows, whatever we want, and we're gonna have a good time doing it.
For hot dogs.
We're so excited for hot dogs and we can't wait to eat them. But for now, we're gonna head to the beach, pack this bag with a couple drinks, a couple snacks.
Wear my flip-flops to the beach.
Gonna get some flip-flops, feet finder, and
Shoes.
those are the shoes. We'll see you at the beach. Brought to you by Kit Kat.
Take a break. Get Kit Kat orange.
Where are we at?
We are at the Oregon coast.
Where in the Oregon coast?
On a beach.
Somewhere.
We don't know exactly where. I don't remember the name.
It's pretty though. I think we're in like Garibaldi? No, that was before.
That was yesterday.
We're in...
We're above Newport. We're before Newport, but
Is it called
after
like
Tilbury.
Otter Rock or something like that?
Exactly.
Otter Rock? I don't know. But we're catching the sunset
With Kit Kats.
with the orange Kit Kat. It's a nice one. And there we have it. The end to another great day. We'll see you tomorrow. We're in Seal Rock, Oregon on our next day of travel. We're going to our Airbnb and we're pretty excited for it. There she is. Gonna head down this mountain. You're not coming up? No? Oh, you're doing it? No way. Do it. She never climbs. I'm on this massive mountain. She never climbs, and I'm on this massive mountain, but the view's too good. Look at that. So sick. Come on up. It's pretty cool up here.
I made it.
Check it out. Okay, we'll see you at our next stop. Forgot to take a video yesterday, but we stayed in an Airbnb. Most charming, no smoking. And we got the penthouse. Beautiful little loft suite. Had the TV going. Watched a bunch of Animal Kingdom season 5. Beach view. The water was all the way up there last night, and the tide went out. Pretty unbelievable. Very cute little pad. We made a steak dinner on this little oven. It was delicious. There's the bathroom. Awesome shower. Had that. Cool tiles. Beautiful shower. And this is the bedroom. Very beachy. Very unique. All right, we're gonna hit the road. California bound. All right, so we ventured our way all the way down to Southern California. We're in a deserty area. Pretty cool campsite. It's kind of creepy, but good price. Just needed a place to stay. We got the van up there. We're gonna crash here because we bought ourselves a couple tickets to Disneyland. Yeah, that's right. We're going to Disneyland, and we are both very excited. Lots of bugs out here. So we're gonna go back in the van, chill out, watch some downloaded Netflix, and then wake up and head out to our Airbnb in LA, where we are going to see the Disney crew and check it all out. Beautiful night. It's like 32 degrees Celsius out here. It's cooling down now finally. It's like 28 degrees, so here we are. We're gonna head on in, and we will see you when we are at Los Angeles. So many bugs. Okay, see you.
Ready?
Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Big drop. Let's go. Ah! Yeah, girl. Take me away.
Oh, it has little feet. That's cute.
"20 minutes on standby."
What do you mean to wait?
I humbly accept this magnificent treasure as my reward for a life.
Well, that concludes our road trip adventure from Vancouver, British Columbia, all the way down to Los Angeles, California. Hope you enjoyed this video if you've made it this far. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, I will be sure to post more adventures for us all to enjoy together. Take care, everybody. See you soon.